In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to fix overexposed video in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So first of all is that you'd be able to fix this overexposed video by duplicating your clip first. So hold on the Alt key on your keyboard and drag it up so that you'd be able to duplicate it just like so. Once you have this, is that you just simply want to select the top clip, go into the inspector tab, and then from here you would want to go here into the composite mode, and then you want to set this into multiply. So find multiply in here, which is somewhere here. Click on that and then change the opacity to 30. And as you can see, that it didn't really change much because the overexposure on the video is too high. So what we're gonna do instead is that we're gonna add this step. You want to select the top clip again, go into color, and then here is that you would change the gain right here. So you would want to drag this slider right here into the left. So you want to lower the value. And if you don't see your values just like this one, then what you would need to do is that you would want to go here into clicking on this button. And then you'd be able to navigate into the circle type of settings, or this one right here. But basically what you just need anyways is this button right here, or this slider. So you just want to drag it to the left, and then you'd be able to minimize the gain right here. And then you could also go for the highlights if you would want to fix that. And now you'd be able to see that our footage is now looking much better. Now we can now go and zoom in, and then you'd be able to see that it is now not overexposed. And I think this is the right mix of the settings in here that I was looking for, and I'm currently satisfied with this. So this is how you'd be able to fix overexposed video in DaVinci Resolve.